If you want to use hand tracking on your MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S instead of using the controllers, you can enable it directly from the headset settings. The process is pretty simple and it only takes a few seconds. First, open the universal menu on your MetaQuest headset. From there, look for the settings option and open the settings app. Once you are inside settings, you will see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and search for hands and body tracking. When you see the hand and body tracking option in the search results, tap on it to open the settings. Now look for the hands and body tracking option on the left side. Simply turn it on. And that's it. Hand tracking is now enabled on your MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S, and you can use your hands to interact with supported features without having to use the controller. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.